What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to earn money or how to use donation alerts. You guys know that I've live streamed like Vegas Pro lessons in the past and everything like that. You guys roll with that, and in these live streams you guys sometimes, I have to admit, you donated crazy amounts, up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars in such a short amount of time. And in order to be able to do that, you need to have a really great donation system in order to make sure they're legit, to get that from your account to your to your bank account, anything like that related in that video or in that stream. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up donation alerts for your live stream in order to get the donations and make the people that donated their name pop up, or like a figure dance, anything like that. Make sure to stay tuned because we're going to get started with that obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, so as you can see right now we are on donationalerts.com, and I have to say that Donation Alerts is part of a large company which is MyCom, that has its own payment system with an anti-fraud protection. So let's say that people are donating like crazy amounts of dollars and you have to pay that fee if they want to get their money back. You have to send the money back to them, you're losing that money, plus you have to pay for the charge back, or you have to pay a lot of money in order to get the money back to them. It's only going to cost you money. So they have a really great protection for people that are botting donations or using like credit cards in order to spam donations. They have a really great fraud protection. That's number one if you want to have a great donation system. And I have to mention that Donation Alerts is the most popular Twitch donation service in Eastern Europe and Russia, and they're even going global. Okay, so a little bit more about this before you're gonna actually start using it and trusting it and trust your money to this. I basically want to tell you guys that all your donations go into your Donation Alerts account. You can just log in into your account rather than your PayPal or bank account. That means you can choose how to withdraw the money you got and use your preferred payment method. Also, you can set a minimum payment amount. That's also really handy. Available withdrawal methods are PayPal and bank cards. PayPal's fee is 2%. The bank card's commission is 1%, but not less than €3 or $3. Okay, so now that you guys know a little bit more about this, instead of like downloading this and not knowing what it's like and what it's about, we're going to click on Start Now, and you want to basically choose your preferred platform. Are you streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, on Facebook, or for example Mixer? I'm going to hit YouTube because if I'm streaming, it is YouTube, so I'm going to click on there. Then you want to basically log in into your account. Okay, so right now we are logging into your account, so this is basically what you will see when you log in. So right here we have the dashboard, which means that you can see all your statistics for the past 7 days. You can choose, for example, I want to see the past month, what I've earned in donations. You can just pick the past 30 days. That's a really great feature. And right here on the left we also have my donations. So this is basically where you will see all the names and the time and the filter and everything that you can obviously track from the people that donated. Really handy. You can see also my subscribers. So let's say that people have subscribed to you on Twitch, you will also see there. You can also see your Twitch followers, which is very handy. And right here you can see your payout methods. So you can click on here and then you can just, for example, say PayPal. You want to pay out in dollars, in euros, or web money. You can just, for example, pick PayPal, and then what you can do is the minimum payout is 7. You can just type in your PayPal email address. You can temporarily disable the payout method and turn it on later. So you can just save that, and that is where you can withdraw the money from your donation alerts into your PayPal account, so you actually know that you will get your money that people donated. So right here we have the settings. So right here it says general settings. So that's basically mean all the general ones. For example, your email address. You can link your Twitch account, your YouTube account, anything like that. What you can also do is SMS confirmation when withdrawing funds. You can also do that. You can fill in your phone number. You can go to the donation page on the left, which is going to show you the link that you want to place in the description on YouTube. Because if people want to donate, for example, like $20 because they really want to support the stream, or if, for example, $5 because they want to buy you a cup of coffee, I don't know what kind of things you guys would like to get donations for, you need the link for that. So right here on the donation page, you can see the link. So you just want to copy that right here, and then you want to paste it in the description of your YouTube live stream or Twitch, in that panel when it's where it says donate. For example, display a profile picture, you can do that. And right here at the bottom it says widgets, so you can click on alerts. you can click on add new variation and you can really customize it. You can just choose the music that's going to play in your live stream and you know, the font, everything like that. So let's say alert type is going to be donations. Variation condition is going to be for, you can also pick that amount is greater than or equal to, amount is equal to, or pick random, and then you can just click on variation title. You can type in anything that you like. For the view, you can say it's going to pop up from the bottom, it's going to pop up from the top, from the side, from the left to the right, or just anything like that. I'm just going to make it from image on top, text at the bottom. Then you can also pick, for example, these dancing guys or anything. You can just upload your own if you want to. If you click on zombie, this one, you can also pick different ones, this running wolf or this star. You can just upload your own right here if you want to. That's really up to you how you want to customize it. I'm going to pick this zombie guy for now. Then we're going to go to sound. So right here, the sound volume, keep that on 50% because you don't really want to bust the ears of your viewers when it's really loud. But if you click on it, you can also upload your own audio file, for example, donation, like I did in my last live streams when people donated. Donation. Nay! You can also change up the text, for example, the username and then the amount. You can also customize the font, anything like that. For example, right here it says this is a preview, but that's basically how it can look like. You can change the text color to anything that you desire. For example, like that in green, you can add in shadow, for example, a lot of shadow. You can also choose the color of the shadow. You can really customize it to how you want it to be. The animation can be also bouncy or just like none, it's just standing still. A little bit easier to read in my opinion. Then animate, you can just, for example, do it all text at once. And you can also have a custom background. You can have a transparent one, or you can have anything that you like. I'm just going to keep it like that. So right here it says extra. That's, for example, a message background. All right, so now we have made everything, for example, like the animation and the names. We need to make sure they will actually pop up in the live stream, and that's what you want to do in your broadcast software. And I'm going to use OBS Studio for this. Okay, so right now we're on OBS Studio at the moment, and what we need to do is we need to paste a link of that everything, the donation, combined everything. We need to paste that into OBS Studio. So we're going to hit on the alerts button right here, and right here it says donation. Now you want to click on show link for embedding, and you want to copy that with this icon. Then what you want to do is go back to OBS Studio. Then you want to do is right click on your sources tab, and I know this is in Dutch, guys, but you can just do it real simple by clicking add, and you want to hit browser. Then you can just call this, for example, donation alert. And then what you can do is you can fill in the URL right here. It's going to be 1920 by 1080. And right now it is inserted in OBS Studio. So anytime someone is going to donate, this will pop up. So that's how awesome it looks, guys. This is how you import your donation alerts in OBS Studio using donation alerts. And before we're going to end off this video, guys, I want to mention that everybody can become a victim, not only popular streamers, but also people who have started to stream recently or stream for a small audience. You have to imagine this. Your maximum amount of donations is around $50 each month. That's pretty decent. And suddenly some fraudster makes 14 donations, then calls them back, and now you have to pay more than $200 in fees. That's gonna cost you money. That's not what we want, and that's not what makes a happy streamer. So they also have protection for that if you want to go ahead and go against that. This is basically donation alerts, guys. Check it out in the link in the description. It's completely for free. Make sure to just go ahead and grab account using the link down below. I'm going to show you guys once more the alerts tab. As you can see, donation goals. For example, what I do if I want to bring up, for example, a new microphone I did last year. I need $350 for a new microphone. You can just, for example, fill in your goal and everything like that. You can just add a new donation goal and people can pledge towards that, and you can just save up that way. And you can crowdfund, you know, new stuff, new gear for your YouTube channel, and that's basically how you can do it. You can also create polls and more, everything like that, guys. This is donation alerts. Thank you guys so much for watching and for the continued support. The link is in the description. Donation alerts. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate that. You guys have an awesome website, and I can't wait until this video goes live so you guys can actually publish it more and get to know more and actually be more known and become the #1 streaming platform on the entire internet in terms of streaming. So guys, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.